In the Vauxhall Connect store, you can select and manage the connected services available for your vehicle, allowing you to take advantage of services like live navigation with real-time traffic, places of interest search, weather, and much more. Accessing your account and setting up your profile is simple. If you already have a My Vauxhall account, you can click on Sign In. Alternatively, to set up a new account, click on Create Account. Type in the required information, such as your name and a password, then submit. A message confirms that your account has been set up successfully, and an email is sent. To complete the setup of your account, please click on the link in the email. To access the Vauxhall Connect store, click on Sign In and type in your login information. To add a vehicle to your account, open your account page by clicking on Add Vehicle or on the person symbol in the upper right corner. Select My Vehicles from the menu on the left and click on Add Vehicle. Type in your vehicle identification number, also known as the VIN. If you don't know where to find this, click on Where can I find my VIN for help? Alternatively, you can find it in your vehicle registration documents. While typing in, please be careful to not mix zeros and ones with O and I. Check the entered VIN and confirm that it's correct. To activate services, return to the home page by clicking on Home or on Vauxhall Connect. Choose a service you would like to activate and click on Discover to get more information. A green confirmation message is displayed to show your car is compatible. To select the services, click on Order. To allow activation, you need to read and accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Please be aware, to stay up to date and benefit from the full service, your phone number may be required. Now confirm the activation of the service. Once successfully activated, the service is displayed under My Services on your account page. The Vauxhall Connect store also offers paid services. To buy a service, choose one on the home page and click on Discover. Choose the desired duration for the paid service and click on Add to Cart. Check that the displayed information is correct. Read and accept the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. Then click on Continue. A summary of your purchase is shown. If necessary, you can now update your billing address. Click on Continue. Type in your payment information and click on Pay. After successfully completing the purchase process, a confirmation page is displayed showing information about the service purchased, price, and the duration. Did you know you can see your active services directly on the home page next to your vehicle? To access your detailed account information, click on the person symbol in the upper right corner of the home page. To find all services linked to your account, go to My Services on your account page. You can also access My Vehicles, as well as My Personal Information, to check and update your account information.